How well do you know Mayor Rodrigo Duterte?
I was in Davao since the time when Davao was chaotic.
Killing fields?
Yes, I was living in Agdao, where the Nicaragua killings are there. I saw the transformation when there was the Altamasa, the development of Davao with all the programs on peace and order, on the environment, on making Davao a peaceful place to live in. I think the programs in his platform, like federalism, is one that's making me passionate to help make Philippines a better place to live in.
We understand that there's no perfect city in the Philippines, there's no perfect city in the whole world, but why is Davao considered to be one of the safest cities and very progressive in the Philippines?
I think it's a collective effort. The way that the Duterte management did in making sure that there's a collaboration, consultation with people, and making it a progressive place, a business-friendly place, so more investments coming in.
Could you give a message to all other women in the Philippines?
I think for all women in the Philippines, I would like to say that there's no perfect, leader really. But then we believe that from those that are listed in the presidentiables, I believe that Duterte is the person who can help us alleviate poverty, have the peace and order in place in the country. There was a child-friendly program, Davao, that worked, and I think it has succeeded. And I believe he does respect women. People are not really perfect. All of us are work in progress.